Chalo, sir. So again, very good evening to everyone. And I hope I'm audible as well as visible. You guys can see me, hear me clearly. So here I am back with the solutions of the live mock for this week. Chalo. So without further any delay, sir, let us just start with this. So first question right in front of you guys. Just a second. Let me just. So this is the first question of this week. This is most definitely the first question. Chalo, jaldi se kar lete. So it's an assertion reason based questions. So when three coins are tossed together, the probability of getting at least two heads is half. So three coin toss. So sample space is HHH. Then again HHT, HTH, HTT. Then THH, THT, TTH, and then sir TTT. So this is the sample space for those who don't understand, like who wants this from the basics. Now, at least two heads, at least means minimum two heads. How many places, sir? How many places can I choose? Let's see. Sir, minimum two heads here, 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 not here. Here is as well, not here, not here, not here. So total 4 times I'm getting out of total 8 times. So probability is definitely 1/2. So assertion is definitely correct, sir. Reason, let's see. They are saying when n coins are tossed together, the total number of outcomes is 2 to the power n. Yes, sir. You see, 3 coins are tossed together, the total is 2 cube, and hence I have written only 8 outcomes. This total sample space, the number of elements in the sample space, comes from using this concept only. So this is definitely the reason as well, and both are true. So correct explanation, option D is your correct answer, sir. Option D in this case will 100% be your correct answer. I hope this is clear, everyone. Chalo. With that being said, next one, sir. Next one, sir. Chalo. The external diameter is 4.8. So capital R or the radius will be 2.4. Thickness is 8, meaning sir 0.8 centimeter, because all the other values are in centimeter. Length or height is 7. Okay. What will be the weight on this? So 9.5 per. Sir, you can check also na. For you see the formula. Let me just write it. 22/7 into r square minus r square. Capital R square is 2.4 square. Minus small r will be what? 2.4 minus 0.8, meaning sir small r will be 1.6 centimeters, sir. So it is 1.6 square. R square minus r square into h. H is 7, sir. So 7 cancels. Sorry. And into the weight will be, sir, per cubic meter is this. Per cc is 9.5 grams. So weight will be this. So if you calculate, sir, you will get, it will be a multiple of 11. It will be 95 is a multiple of 19. And here I don't know, this is 576 and 256. 320, meaning 3.2. Sir, you can either go with 11 and 19 multiple. 19 multiple will be a little difficult to check. Do one thing. Like once checking, I saw unit digits are different. So use the unit digits. Let us just simply use the unit digit concept. So if I just use it, so I can write this is 22 into this is 3.2 into, sir, this is 9.5. So 3224. Achha, there is nothing missing, na? Just a second. There is nothing I'm missing. Ek second, ruk jao, sir. No, we have to go like that. नहीं. Unit digit भी नहीं होगा, sir. So option को sir multiplication करना ही पड़ेगा. 11 option, let's check. 4, 2. Sir, this is not a 11 multiple. This is a 11 multiple. 1, this is not a multiple. This is also a multiple. 19 से divide कर लो sir. 19 sir 57. Sir 57 means 98. Sir, this is the answer, sir. This is also multiple of 19. No. Second one. So unit digits से नहीं आ रहा है sir. Again, you have to kind of check division करके this will be lengthier. 11 and 19 multiple से ही we are getting the answer here. 11 multiple twice, just check those two. The first one itself is a 19 multiple. So you can go with that. You can definitely go with that. I got an answer from Nikhil as well. Very good, Nikhil. Very, very good, brother. Chalo. Sir, this is sides 21, 72, 75. Sir, 3 into 7. Sorry. 3 into 7, 21. 24 into 3, 25 into 3. 7, 24, and 25. It's a Pythagorean triplet, sir. So this is also a like times 3, meaning this is also a Pythagorean triplet. Extremely sorry. This is also a Pythagorean triplet, meaning the area will be half into 21 into 72, sir. Into. Now, this is the area of the field. Cost of leveling is this 5.5. Sorry. 5.5, sir. Just put it. Just put it. Again, here also, if you want, you can check for 11 multiple. 11 multiple also you can check. So this is 36. So 21 into 36 into 5.5. You can also check for 11 multiple, 9 multiples. There are so many options. Let's check, sir. Sir, 11 multiple. This one. Acha, 11 multiple se kare. Acha, normal. Let's do one thing. 6, 5, 30. ऐसे करेंगे तो I don't want to actually calculate. 3 से ये भी जाएगा sir. This will not go. 3 से 5, 5, 10. This one also will go. This will not go. So first two options. Answer will be either between these two. Answer will be either between these two. 7 से कर लो sir. Sir, 5 7s are 35, 63, sir. Option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, sir. You see, 7 multiple, because 35, 21 is there, na? So 3 into 7, I checked for 7 multiple, and that gave me my answer, option A. Definitely that is my answer. No, Nikhil, garbar ho gaya. Yes, D was not. You see, D is cancelling because D is not a 3 multiple or 9 multiple, whatever you take. Right? 36 was there. 36 was there. So, thoda dono do calculations we could have avoided. Chalo, this one. Mean and median, sir, mode. Sir, this is a direct question. So, mode will be what? 3 into median minus 2 into mean. Sir, 260, that is 40, sir. Simple question, simple answer. Option A is the answer. Option A is most definitely your correct answer. Next one. Next one, sir. Again, a simplification question. I don't think it will be much trouble. M plus 2n. Chalo, let's do this. Minus. Achha, let's do the like whatever it is there. Sir, this is. Achha, ek karke hi karte hai. This is n minus this one. 2n minus m. So minus 2n minus plus m, sir. Minus m minus n plus n, sir. This minus 3n. Let's do whatever you can calculate. This cancels, this cancels. N minus 2n is minus n. So m plus 2n minus this will be plus n minus 3n, sir. This cancels. So m is the answer. Option number C, sir. Option number C. We are only left with this. So option C is the correct answer. Yes, Nikhil. Very good, brother. Very, very, very good. Next one, sir. Next one. Car X leaves the town 60. This is the speed. Y lives same direction this. At what distance, sir? Time first you calculate. First you calculate the time 1 hour later. So the second car leaves. So in 1 hour, the first car will go 60 kilometers. Now the second car needs to catch up the 60 kilometers. So you take the same direction, meaning relative speed will be 80 minus 60. This is the time taken. Now, at what distance from the town Y, from the town will y catch x? Sorry, from what distance from the town? Meaning, sir, please understand. Let's say this is where x and y started. This is where they have caught each other up. Y has caught x. So they are asking this distance. They are asking you to find this distance. अच्छा, इसका value क्या है? This is 3 hours. This is 3 hours, sir. Sir, whatever distance, if like it will cover in those 3 hours, so that will be the answer, which is like 240, because 80 is the speed into 3 hours. So 240 will be most definitely your correct answer, sir. Right? No, Nikhil, not A, brother. Not A. 3, not 60. Please understand who is catching. Y is catching this, like the car with the higher speed. This is catching. If you take the previous one, the 60, so it has left 1 hour earlier. So it will take not 3, but 3 plus 1, 4 hours. That way also you can do. 6 into, like 60 into 4 you do, you get 240 again. So if you are taking 60, this first car, then the time will be 4 hours. But again, if you take 3, then you need to take this speed. Perfect. Chal. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Acha. Two triangles A, B, C, D, F. Two sides AP. Acha. Acha, which rule? Acha, then let's make the triangles. A, B, C. And another is D, E, F. D, E, F. What is equal to what? Let's see. What exactly is equal to what? Two sides AB and AC are proportional to DE and EF. AB and AC, this is DE, and AC is proportional to DF. Okay. Angle C is angle F. So this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. So following rules. No, sir. As sir, please understand here. Understand the concept. I've discussed this in detail in the foundation batch. So this is the most possible rule. SAS. You see two sides, one angle. But there is a problem. SAS is the only rule. SAS where, please understand this. If you are taking this side and this side, the angle must be this in-between angle. You cannot take just any angle. Please understand this. Any angle you can only take if when both these triangles are right angle triangles, and that is called RHS rule. That is called RHS rule. But that is very exclusive for right angle triangles. So this SAS, you see, that's why it is written SAS, not ASA or something. Because I always ask you guys to remember it like this. Two sides, the in-between angle is A. So S, that is why A is written between the S's. So SAS, it might seem this rule is getting followed, but it is actually not getting followed. My answer will be none. My answer has to be none. Don't make the mistake. Do not please make the mistake, everyone. Clear? Next one, please. Next one, please. Sir, P is given 1 plus P. Just sir, 1 plus P first you figure out. Sir, it will be 7 minus, sorry. It will be, sir, 7 minus root 3. And if you do it there, so it will be 7 minus root 3 plus 7 plus root 3. So this gone. So it becomes 14 by 7 minus root 3, sir. So if they are asking you this 14 divided by 14 by 7 minus root 3, sir. This will cancel, this will go up. So my answer will be 7 minus root 3, sir, which is there in option A itself. Which is there in option A itself, sir. You see, that is there in option number A itself. So 120% that is my answer. Simple question, this one. Chalo, next one, sir. Next one, please. Bhuvan sold two articles, okay. SP of 2 articles is given. एक में sir 8% loss on the bicycle and 10% profit on the bike. Okay. CP of the bicycle is 10% of the bike. Okay, sir. It's very simple. So loss 8%. Na? So to calculate this, cycle and bike. So let's take the CP. Let us take the CP now in this case. 10% means 1 by 10. So I'm taking, because I need to calculate percentage, 100 will be a good option for me. So I'm taking this bicycle price is 100 rupees. And the the bike price will be then 1000 because 10 times 1/10 is 100, so bike will be 1000. Now, loss of 8%, meaning 8 rupee loss. So SP here, it will be sir 92 rupees. And for that, 10% profit, meaning sir it will be 1100 rupees, sir. 100 rupees profit. So total SP, or rather I should write it here, 1192 rupees. Or I should say 1192 units rather than rupees, because rupees is there. So that is equal to this, can I say? 298,000. That is 1192 units, sir. So they are asking, find the CP of bicycle, meaning find the value of 100 units. Sir, 100 units will be how much, sir? 298,000 into 100 divided by, sir, 119. Calculate this. Sir, ये कितने में जाएगा? 4 से करो. Let's see. 4 2s are 8. 4 9s are 36. 4 8s are this. Array 4 से. So again you do one thing. So 298 say if you cancel, you'll get 100, and 4 say meaning it will be 25. 2500, option D will be the correct answer. Option D, 2500 is the correct answer, sir. Again, very simple. Very simple question, sir. Next one, please. Next one, please. Chalo. Ravi's working hours per day increased by this, wages increased by this. Sir, earnings. Sir, you can either use AB theorem. You can use AB theorem, but sir, I told you, if the values are like this, using AB theorem is very tricky, sir. Very tricky. So rather in these situations, what did I ask you? I asked you guys to follow the fraction or the ratio concept. 15% stands for 3 by 20. Because 5%, I told you, remember these two values, this is 1 by 20. So 15 is 3 times that. And this we all know, this is 1/6. So please understand, initial and final. Initially, an hours, let's say hours was, he was working 20 hours a day. Now he will work for 3 hours more, meaning 23 hours a day. Initially, he was getting 6 rupees an hour. Now he will get 1 rupee more, that means 7. So initial income was 120. Now it is how much, sir? 140, 161, sir. So increment of 41 rupees, sir. So he is getting an increment of 41 rupees out of 120 rupees. Sir, percentage means into 100. This is 5, this is 6. 205 by 6%, sir. Option में 6 में sir ये एक ही है, sir. Option C is the answer. You see, by 6 is there. Only one option has by 6. Srinivas, okay. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you so much. So again, this is your option C. Option C, sir. Done. Option C, done, sir. Now, next one, please. How many rectangular sheets of this can be formed by melting of this? Sir, melting and recasting meaning volume same hai. Volume is same, sir. Now, if volume is same, you will say, sir, volume of the cube 24 into 24 into 24. 24 cube actually. It is equal to how many? I don't know. I'm taking n into. Sir, what is the volume of each sheet? Sir, 4 into 3. Thickness is 2 millimeter, meaning 0.2 centimeter. So let's get rid of this. Achha. Sir, isko hatao, ye by 10. 2, 3, 6, 4s are 24, 24 gone. So n will be 24 square 576, another 0, 5760. Option number A, sir. Option number A, sir, most definitely is your correct answer. You see, it does not take you more than 30-40 seconds. None of the questions, if you know the proper ways to go about this. Chalo. Next one, please. A decorative chair was brought for this much and refurbished for this much. Meaning, sir, this is called your, I told you, overhead expenditure. Meaning, whatever you had to like kind of spend extra in order to repair it, in order to transport it, anything. So always this gets added back to CP always. So actual CP of this product will be 3,400 plus 1,600, which is 5,000 rupees. Now, marked price is this, discount is this. Approximately what percent profit पूछा है. So from here I'll get my SP. Chalo, let me write it directly. SP will be how much? 8,000, 10% discount. 800 discount. So 7,200 is SP. Sir, this is the CPSP. Percentage profit, any bacha will also do. Sir, again, don't calculate here. That is the mistake we all make. Don't like cancel with another 2. Keep it like this. So how much? Profit of 22 rupees. 22 rupees profit out of 50 rupees into 100. Why? Because 50 is easier to calculate. That's why. So 44% is my correct answer, which is option A. Do not calculate. Okay, perfect. Done. Next one, please. Next one, please, sir. Let's move on to our next question. So 13th, A, B together fill a cistern with a milk. 15 liters, 5 minutes, 21, 7 every 3 minutes. Sir, A's efficiency is 3 liter per minute. This is for A. For B, 3 minutes, 21 liter, meaning 7 liter per minute, sir. How much time will it take to fill a race? Sir, ये तो बहुत simple है. If they pour it together, they will pour 10 liters per minute, sir, together. So in how much time they will pour? 800 liters. 800 by 10, 80 minutes, sir. Option C. No need of pen, paper, anything. No need of pen, paper, anything actually. This was a very simple question. Select ho ja. Next one, sir. Next one, please. Cyclic quadrilateral, this thing diagonals intersects. Okay. PQRS. Diagonals are these two. They are intersecting at a point T. Okay. What are they saying, sir? They are saying RT and QT is 6:7. RT is 6 ratio, QT is 7, sir. Okay. Then ratio of ST ratio PT. ST by PT. Arey sir, ये तो बहुत simple. So this will be 6:7 ना. अच्छा. Sir, there is no point. There is no point of giving us a a kind of cyclic quadrilateral. It's a chord-based property question. So in any circle, if there is AB and CD, there are two chords meeting at say point M. So the property was what? Sir, AM into AM and into the BM, the other part of the same chord, it is equal to CM into DM, sir. Take every chord at a time. So if I use it here, PT into RT, it will be, sir, QT into ST. Sir, you see RT by QT is given. Sorry. Extremely sorry, sir. Ulta likh diya maine. So RT by QT is given. RT by QT. So this will be ST by PT. So this is given as 6:7. So this will also be equal to 6/7 or 6:7. So my answer will be option B itself. My answer will most definitely be option B itself. You don't need to change many things here. So it was a very simple question, honestly. So next one, I can see repetition. Acha. Sir, formula लगा दो, एक छोटा वाला formula है, or if you want to do it normally, you can do it normally. 40 liters out of 200 liters. So initial there were 200 liters of milk into 40 liters, meaning, sir, 1/5. 40 out of 200. So 1 minus 1 by 5. How many repetitions? 3 times repetitions to the power 3. So this will be the milk. This will be the final milk, I should say. I should write final milk, sir. So again, 200 into, this is 4 by 5. 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 5 is 125. 25 5s, 25 8s. Baap re. 8 8 64, 64 into 4 by 5. 256 divided by 5, sir. So 127. एक सेकंड, मैंने कैलकुलेशन में कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं किया ना? एक सेकंड सर. 4/5, 4/5, 4/5. अरे यार, हाँ सर, कैलकुलेशन में गलत कर दिया मैंने. There will be another 2, sir. Another 2. You see, 68, 4s are 32, 2 4s are 128, not 64. My mistake, sir. My mistake, sir. This will be 512 by 5. Sir, 100 plus 12 by 5 means 2.4. So 102.4. Sir, option A is the answer. Option A is the answer, sir. Most definitely, definitely your correct answer. It is not very difficult. It is not very difficult. A basic question I had missed. I had missed one basic simple thing. HCF of these two, which is what? 5. It is written as this. 48 plus 6m. अरे सर, ये तो बहुत ही easy question है. So direct m कर दे. Sir, m will be, this is minus 43 divided by 6. Sir, option number D, sir. Option number D, sir. You see, it is a very, 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 very simple question. Very simple question. Clear, sir? Clear, everyone? Everybody clear, sir? Clear? Just a second. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Lisa has this much and this much notes with her. The amount of money is this. Represent linear equation. Array, sir. Sir, if there are x notes here and y notes of this, so 20x plus 500y, that is equal to the total money. Or opposite भी हो सकता है. So 20 into y plus 500 into x, it is equal to 3680. Both can be the answers. Why? Because I don't know which one is x or which one is y. 20 rupee notes can be x. Now this can also be y and this can also be x. It can interchange between them. So two options. First one, this is correct. Acha, whenever you see this option, na, check for third. So this one, 20y ko is taraf if I take, yeah sir, this one is also correct. So answer will be option D, sir. My answer will be option D. I won't check anything else. Yahi mera answer. So always, whenever you see this both type of option, so give it some thought. Give it a little bit of thoughts. Mean and median given, value of AB. Sir, first do median, sir. Easier. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning fourth term is median. This one. 2A plus B. It is median, which is equal to 55. Sir, mean निकालना तो बहुत बड़ा calculation होगा. Mean means, chalo, I need to add everything. I need to add everything. So, let's see, sir. Sir, A here, 2A here, sir, 4A, 437A, sir, plus B, 3, 4, 4B, I guess, 4B, plus 96 and 12. So that is 100 plus 8, 108 plus 34. 110, 144 minus 2, 142, sir. अच्छा, मिस हो गया एक तो मिस हो गया. This B I missed. This will be 5B, sir. My mistake. This will be 5B. This will be 143. 5B, because this one is also there. 143. This is this total. So divided by 7. So it will come this side into 54, sir. So 7A plus 5B. It will be, sir, 350, 378. 378, sir. Right? 35, yes, minus 143, sir. 532, 235, sir. So this is one equation. The other equation is this. Multiply this by 5. Multiply this by 5, sir. I'll calculate, sir. 10A plus 5B is equal to 55 to 75, sir. So this cancels 3A is equal to, sir, 40. A is 40 by 3. गंदा नहीं, like मिस्टेक तो नहीं किया ना? मिस्टेक तो नहीं किया? जस्ट अ सेकेंड, रुको ना, just a second, just a second. Have I made any errors? 350, 28, 378. No, 378 is done. And this is 143. एक second, sir. Let me just check. Options में मैंने some calculation mistake. 1234. That is 46, right? 46 and 147. 96 and 47. 13, 1, 10, 14. I can't see a mistake. अरे ये 5 था. Sir, this 5 I have missed. This 5 I have missed, sir. I have missed this 5, sir. 148, this one will be. This one will be 148, sir. So it will be 230. 230, sir. Sir, it will be 45. So which is 15, sir? A is 15. अच्छा, A is 15, so B will be what? My mistake. चलो इधर से कर लेते हैं. 55 minus 15 to is 30. 30 means 25. So mean of A and B. 15 and 25 का mean is 20. No need of calculation for that. देखो मैंने एक गलती कर दिया था. C. Option C is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Option C is most definitely. Now, if the next question, 7 digits of a number is this, divisible by 36. So 36, composite number, meaning 4 into 9, sir. I'll check for both. First, I'll check this because I told you, always try or start with that one which gives you the luxury of checking or taking one variable at a time. 9 if I start with, it will take the whole digits, all the digits, whole number. So I need to take both the variables like together. Whereas if I take, let's start with 4, I can only take the last 2 digits. So 7 and Q, that must be divisible by 4. So possible digits for Q, so it can be 272, it can be 76, then 80. So there are 2 possible digits. Ratio of the product of the possible values, ratio of the product, okay. So P and Q, so 2 into 6. What about P, sir? Now, if I take 2 and 6, I'll need to kind of put here and check. 6, 6, P, 8, 7, Q, I'm taking 2 first. Divide this by 9. So 7 plus 2, 9 gone. 6 plus 6, 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is how much? Sorry, 12 plus 8 is 20. So this has to be 7, sir. So P, the first possible value is 7. Second possible value, to figure that out, you need to put, instead of Q, I'll put 6. But I have seen one thing. Once I found 7, which is a prime number, and I also know in the right hand side there is no multiples of 7, 2 and 6. Nothing is divisible by 7. So that means this 7 will not cancel. Check the options. I can see there is only one option where the 7 is not cancelled. So that has to be my answer. I can skip the second step. Even if I don't figure out what will be the value of P, I can still with 100% confidence say, sir, ये 7 कभी कट ही नहीं सकता. This 7 can never cancel. So this has to be my correct answer, you see. Use your common sense. You see, this is nothing, no like space science. This is very, very, very simple deal. Right? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Next one, please. Ratio of investments by these two is this. Ratio profits this. Array, sir. So time ratio will be what? TR. TR is profit ratio by investment ratio. 4 by 22. Ratio, sir. 3 by 15. So which is, sir, calculate kar do. 60 ratio 66. 10 ratio 11, sir. So time, this is for Monu and this is for Hari. Monu invested for 6 months. So this 10 parts is 6 months. So this 11 parts ka value they are asking. So 10 parts is equal to 6 months. So 11 parts will be 6 into 11 by 10 months. 66 by 10. Options में अच्छा वो वाला है sir. So 6 whole 6 by 10 meaning sir 3 by 5. So option number sir B. Option number sir B is your correct answer 100%. You see, not very difficult. It's very, 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 very simple. It is actually very simple, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Sir, again, a question which is very, very familiar. If you guys are going for tier 2, you should already know this. And you should give me the answer. Because x to the power 4, I have shown this, I guess, thousands of times, plus y to the power 4. It can be written as a factor of x square plus y square plus xy into x square plus y square minus xy, sir. So you see, out of this is given as 21 by 256. Out of this value is given to you as 3 by 16, sir. So I'll get this value. So again, so I'm just writing it here, x square plus y square minus xy. It will be how much? This thing divided by this thing, 21 by 256 into 16 by 3, 7, and this is 16. So this is 7 divided by 16, sir. I need x square plus y square, meaning I'll add them only because xy will cancel. I will get this directly. So 10 by 16, 7 and 3. So that means 5 by 8, sir. That's your answer. Option number B, sir. Option number B, sir. Most definitely your correct answer. But again, you must know this, and already I'm saying, if you know this, you should write this line directly, sir, without pen paper. You should do this with practice. Next one, please. Next one, please. Chalo. 5, 4, 5. Yaar, that question. Sir, 3 lengthy questions. This is a lengthy question. Chalo, thoda pani pee lete before I do anything. Give me a second. Let me have a sip of water. This will be lengthy. Chalo. 4 men, 5 children, 8 women. Complete 25 days में. Okay. They can complete this in 25 days. Listen to me very carefully for the next few minutes. 6 women, I'll show you a technique. 50 days में, sir. Sir, here you can say, sir, the efficiency will be double because time is double, so the efficiency will be half. But again, you see, that will not fix anything for us. That will not fix anything for us because you see, nothing will cancel. So again, karna to padega. 6 men and 9 women. 6 men plus 9 women. They can do this in 40 days. Acha, let me say one thing. If you solve it, so there is a strong chance that 99.99% of the students will say, so this is 125, so it will be 1 by 25 efficiency. This will be 1 by 50, this will be 1 by 40. But calculating those 3 unknown 3 equation will be a real challenge. Sir, what's the best way, sir? What is the best way then? Is there any way we can avoid that level of calculation? I can show you a little bit. I won't say it will avoid the calculation completely, but again, it will reduce it significantly. You see, what I'm saying, 60 women, only they are concerned about women. In the question, they are only concerned about women. I will take that. So, let's do one thing, sir. Woman का efficiency कुछ ले लेते हैं. Okay, let's take the woman's efficiency as k units a day. ठीक है? That will be a little better. So from here, but again, for that I need to do LCM as well. अच्छा एक काम करो sir. This is the time ratio. So efficiency ratio also let's figure out. So the ratio was 25, 50, 40. ये भी थोड़ा कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा easy होगा. 5 5s, 5 10s, 5 8s. So efficiency will be 10 into 8, 80 here. 5 into 8, 40 here. And sir, 5 into 10, this here. So efficiency will be 8 units here per day. This will be, sir, 4 units per day. And this will be, sir, 5 units per day. Okay? It will help us. And every woman's efficiency is K units per day. Now, from here, let's start with this equation. I will make my final equation on this. You keep it for the time being, because this is the only equation where all three are there. So I'll judge with the first two. First, sir, woman's efficiency from here, or rather man's efficiency, let's figure out in terms of K. So total 6 man plus 9 woman. 9 woman means 9 into K, sir, because every woman's efficiency is K. That is equal to 5 units. So what I can do, M will be 5 minus 9K divided by 6. This is one equation. This is the efficiency of every man. Similarly, take this equation and figure out every child's. Chalo, let's do this. Let us do this, sir. This will be total 4. So 4 child plus 5 woman means 5K, sir. Sorry, 6 woman. No? Sorry. So this is 6 woman. 6 woman, sir, is equal to 4 units. So child's efficiency 4 minus 6K. 2 cancel kar do. 2. This is 3. This is 2. So 2 minus 3K divided by 2, sir. This is child's efficiency. Now put these two values over here, sir. Put these two values over here. Acha. I need a little space, sir. Chalo. So 4 into man, 4 into, so 6, it will be 2 into 2 by 3. So 2 into 5, 10 minus 18K divided by 3 plus 5 into child. Sir, ये तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला. 10 minus 5 3s are 15K divided by 2 plus 8 woman. 8 woman is 8K only. That itself is equal to total 8. So figure out the value of K from here. Multiply it by 6. चलो इसको 6 से multiply कर देते हैं. So 6 meaning 2. So it will be 20 minus 36K plus 3 say this will be 30 minus 45K plus this will be 6 8s are 48K. So this will be 48, sir. Let's see. 48K so this is plus 3K. Okay. 30 and 20, 50 plus 48, meaning sir this will be plus 2 here. So I can say, 1 second, plus 3K minus this, meaning sir 33K. Well, I'll take it to that side, so it will become plus 33K is equal to 2 only, because all this has cancelled. So K is equal to 2 by 33 units. Done. Now, total work is how much, sir? Total work is very simple to find. Total work, if I take, let's say this one. So they are doing 5 units a day, and they are taking how many days? 6 and 9 women can complete in 40 days. So this is your total work. Who will do it now? Sir, 60 women, 60 into every woman's efficiency I have found to be 2 divided by 33. Sir, 0, 0 gone. 4, 6 to 12, 3. 3 says, sir, this is 11. 11 will go up. My answer will be 55 days. My answer is going to be 55 days, which is option number D. Now, again, this was a lengthy question, sir. Again, this was definitely a lengthy question. If anybody has any doubts here, feel free to ask. But again, this method, remember this, if you have some question or a simple question like this, you should know how to solve this. Because if you go by normal, this equal to 1 by 8, this equal to 1 by 4, this will be equal to 1 by 5. Those methods are very good for books, solution in the books, because nobody will check. But problem is when you are doing it practically, those calculations are very difficult sometimes depending on the values. So please have this understanding of how to, this is more into equation solving than the concept. Concept was over in this line only. Done? Chalo, sir, option D was the answer. Next one please. Chalo. Circumference of the base of a cylinder is this. Height is this. Volume. Acha, this is centimeter. This is meter. This is cubic meters. Acha. So circumference 2 pi r is 50 pi. So r is 25 centimeter. This is in centimeter. So meter में 25 by 100 meters, sir. Correct. Volume will be, sir, 22 divided by 7 pi r square h. R square into h, sir. एक second. चलो. R square is 25 over 100 into 25 over 100 into h. H is 4, sir. So I would say, as these are here, this hundreds को लेके don't take attention, just calculate normally. 625 into 2 is 1200 into 2 is 2500. 2500. Acha, I could have cancelled this ना. चलो ठीक है, no worries. Into 4 into 22 divided by 7 into 100 into 100, sir. 0000 gone, sir. ठीक है. 25. Acha, sorry, this 4 is not there. This 4 I've already calculated. I've already put that into its place. 25 into 22, 50 into this, so 550. 50 into 11, sir. 5 into 11, 50. So this is this. By 7 into 100. Right? 55 by 7. 7 sevens are 49. 6. 65, sir. 7 8s are. One second. 7's 49. 60. 7 8s are 56. 788 by something. So 0.78 something. Sir, option B mein hai, sir. But I have somehow made a zero ka error. There will be another zero somewhere. But again, that is not very important because at the end of the day, only one option is having this. 7 ke baad 8. After 7, we got 8. That was there in only one option. But there has to be one zero which I've made some calculation error. But again, I don't need that. Chalo. If you found out, please let me know. Certain number of chocolates are distributed among students such that 4 students will not get each this. Acha, if each gets 8 chocolates, sir, total, sir, there are X chocolates. We will make our equation in these situations on the number of students because that is not changing, you see. Total number of students are same. So, if I give every student 8 chocolates, right? So, how many students are there? So, total X chocolates by 8. So, these many students who got chocolates, but there are also students who haven't got any chocolate. So, plus 4. This is the total number of students. These, out of these X by 8, these many students have got chocolates. These 4 are kind of have got nothing. Same thing you do in the next situation. 10 students will not get chocolate if everybody gets 16. So, if you take X by 16, the number of students who got chocolates, plus there are students who have not got any chocolates. So, total is always the same. Calculate. So this is X by 8 minus X by 16 is X by 16, which is equal to 6. So 96 is the answer, sir. Total chocolates se pucha tha na? Yes, total chocolates. 96. Option D is the answer. Option D is most definitely your correct answer, sir. Next one, थोड़ा जल्दी से. Sir, x by, sir, again, componendo dividendo. Directly write it. 6 plus 1, 7, 6 minus 1, 5. Put these 7 and 5 in this equation. X square plus y square, 49 plus 25. So this is, sir, 74, I guess, right? Done. And x square minus y square, that is 24. 24. Chalo, just put the values. 74 by 24 plus 4y, 20 minus 7, 13 square by 13 is 13 only, sir. 37, the answer is 2, sir. The answer is 2, option D, sir. Option D, 2 is your correct answer, 100%. Perfect. Chalo, 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 chalo. Next one, please. Virat has played certain matches, certain average. Next match, 50. His average will increase by 1. If he scores 50 again in the next match, his average will increase by 1.5 runs than the original average. Sir, let's take he had played X matches. His original average was Y. Sorry, Y. So total runs, X into Y, sir. This is runs. Now next what happened? Another match he has played. So total now X plus 1 matches. What happened? Average has now increased to Y plus 1, sir. So that means total runs X plus 1 into Y plus 1. So now, sir, the difference between these two is 50 because he has scored a 50 in between. So xy will cancel. X plus Y plus 1. That is equal to 50. Or you can say X plus Y is 48, sir. Sorry, 49, sir. Kya hi kar raha hu main? Sorry. So this is 49, sir. First equation that I've got. Again, what happened, sir? Again, he has played another match. So now X plus 2 matches. And again, his average increased by 1.5 runs of the original average. So Y plus 1.5, sir. So again, total runs this into this. So again, if you take this, so again it will be X plus 2 into Y plus 1.5. Now, the mistake if many students make is they take these two. Don't take that. Take these two, sir. It will be better for your calculation. Sir, xy cancels. Remaining is what? Sir, x into 1.5. 1.5x plus 2y plus 2 into this is 3, sir. Which is equal to, and how many runs has been scored between this? 50 here, meaning total 100. So that is equal to 100, sir. So, and you see from here I can multiply this by 2. So 2x plus 2y, it is equal to 98, sir. So just cancel. So I'll get 0.5x. This will become 97. So minus, it will be, sir, 1. So x is 2, sir. So if x is 2, y will be what? Y will be 47. So original average was 47, sir, option number D. Option number D will be the correct answer. This was also a little on the lengthier side, sir. Next one, please. Roots of this arithmetic progression of CD 3, common difference 3. Sir, again, you can do, sir, can I say one thing? You see, you can do it normally. So alpha plus beta here, it is like 9. So you can say common difference. So alpha is the first root. So beta will be alpha plus 3. You can do it, you can put it here. 2 alpha is 6. So alpha is going to be 3. And beta will going to be 6. So K will be, sir, this one, that is alpha into beta. That is 18, sir. So option number B is the correct answer. Now again, you can put the, again, one thing, you can put the values also in these questions and check. Options बैठा के भी check कर सकते हो. It will not be very difficult. It will not be very difficult, sir. Probability of solving this. Sir, I had solved one question in this channel only by taking 3 values, not 2. Always go negative in this case. Because let's say P can solve it. So the problem can be solved in how many ways? P can solve it, Q can't. P can't solve it, Q can. Or P can solve it, Q also can solve it. Either you do this, or better is 1 minus P can't solve it, Q also can't solve it. Total probability minus none of them are able to solve it. Do it. I always say this is better. Sir, 3 by 5, they can solve it. They can't, it's 2 by 5. 7 by 8, so this will be 1 by 8, they can't solve it. So this is 4, 1 by 20, 19 by 20 is the answer, sir. Now again, please understand, you can do it in this 2 scenario. You can do it like this. This will also not be very lengthy. But when 3 scenarios come, there are 3 persons instead of 2. This will become very lengthy. Then only feasible option is this. So learn this properly, sir. Okay, chalo. I guess last couple of questions. Right angle hypotenuse is this, base is this, sine C. Acha. A, B, C. Hypo is 4 root 3, base is 2 root 3. So the ratio is 2:1, sir. So 2 and 1, so this will be, sir, 4, so root 3, sir. Sine C will be root 3 by 2, 60 degrees, sir. Or rather, sine C is root 3 by 2. You see, use the simple thing, Pythagoras. Option number B is the answer. Last but not the least question. Certain principle, this total in simple 7 years, this, sir, again, simple interest is equal for every year. So 1 year interest, 1050 by 7. 7, 7, 7 ones are this, 150, sir. Sir, every year's interest. Sir, 4 years interest will be 4 into 150, 600 rupees. 2500 is the amount, so principal will be 1900 rupees. That's your answer, option number B. Done and dusted, sir. And our whole paper is done, sir. That was it. Itna hi tha, sir. Nothing more, nothing less. Right? So that was the solution for today. I hope you enjoyed the stuff. And again, I'll meet you guys this week with the beginner-friendly lessons. And again, next week, again, I'll come back with this, the next week's live mock. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have, please do hit that like. And if you have any queries, feedback, anything, feel free to share it in the comment section. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye, sir.